how to get whatever you want in life. You can get whatever you want in life only if you can do these three things. First of all, you have to ask how to get whatever you want. The second step is that you have to seek to find how to get whatever you want. And thirdly, you have to knock. Without knocking, no door is going to open for you. Meaning that without action, no matter your dream, no matter what your heart desire, without action, you will not get there. So if you can do this very thing, ask, seek, knock, you will get whatever you want in life. Alright, so in this video, I will quickly share one of my experience. Last year, because of the electricity situation in Nigeria, because of lack of electricity, I needed a solar system to run my business, and I don't have enough cash to offset this project. But first of all, I want to have a solar system. So this is me asking for a solar system, meaning that whatever you want, first of all, you must first of all desire it. So whatever it is, you must desire it. Jesus said, ask and believe that you have received it. But first and foremost, you must ask for it. Do not allow your current situation, which is fact, which is real, do not allow it to determine whatever you want. Just know it, believe it, desire it, that if you ask for it, you will receive it. So I want a solar system, and I don't have enough funds to buy this. So there was an income that was coming in for me in January. So this is around November. I'm expecting an income by the end of January. This income probably represents 10 to 15% of the total money that I need to achieve this goal. So the Bible said, seek, ask, seek, and knock. So all I know is that I want this, and I know that I will get it. And I have to swing into action. So when you ask, the next step is to seek, to find out how can you actually achieve this. Okay, so how can you achieve what your heart desire for? This is you seeking so that you can find out how this can be done. So I started looking into my network, people that surround me, whether they are family members, whether they are friends, or whether they are my clients. I started qualifying each one of them to see who can support me to achieve this goal. This is not me taking loan or asking for anybody to give me loan. No, I want 100% support. So at the end of the day, I was able to qualify out 12 people who I think that can help me to achieve this goal. And I send out messages. I let them to know this is my goal, this is my target, and I need their support. And I told them, that was in November, that by December ending, that is when I want to execute this goal. So I sent out messages, and between November and January, let's say mid of January, I continually sending them a reminder. Okay? Some people responded and some did not respond. So in your quest of asking for people, whether it's sales, whether it's donation, whether it's partnership, you need to have the understanding that not everyone will show up for you. So you have to put that into calculation. If you are in sales, you have to understand the number of outreach, the number of people that you need to reach to achieve your goals. Okay? You also have to put in the probability that not everyone is going to support you. Not every sales call that you do will lead to sales. Not every donation that you ask for will be responded to. So you have to set up your mind to accept those failures and do not allow those no, those rejection to affect you. Trust me, there will be rejections. There will be people that you think in your mind are 100% sure they are going to support you, but they won't. And the people that you just say, okay, let me just try them out, might actually be the people that are going to support you. So when you are seeking, you have to reach out to so many people by knocking, by sending them messages, calling, or visitation. Alright? But you must believe that that goal, that your heart desire, you will definitely get it. So, like I said, in this my situation of buying a solar system, I reach out to family, friends, and clients. And this is also an important lesson to learn, that if you are in a circle of friends or a network that you need some support and none of them are capable already to support you, maybe it's time for you to change those circles, those networks, to look for better ones. I'm not saying we should have circles because you want to beg or ask for donation, but I'm just saying, hey, you need to have the right people who are achieving, or people who are setting and gunning for a change of greatness or success. You have to surround yourself with successful people. Alright? So you have to desire, you have to ask, you have to knock, you have to seek, and you will achieve whatever that you want in life. Let me put this into perspective. Whatever you want, the quality or the quantity will determine how fast, how delayed, or how soon you will get it. Just for example, if you plant a corn, a yam, and cassava, you are not expecting to harvest them at the same time. They take their own months before they can reach maturity. Okay, so whatever you are asking, you have to understand that the quantity or the quality of what you are asking for can also determine when you are going to get it. It can also determine the type of work that you have to put in, the type of people that you have to reach out to, the type of action, the quantity and the quality of action that you need to take. Now remember, asking, seeking, and knocking, they are action words. They are action words, meaning that you have to go into action to receive or to get whatever you want in life. Now, if you want to read more about this, I wrote a book about it, so you can check out the link below in the description section. or in the comment section for link to buy the book, to learn more about what I did, to learn in details of things that you too can apply to get whatever you want. Thank you so much. If you watch this video up to this duration, I pray that you have learned one or two things from this video. Alright, so if you are on YouTube, follow me. If you are other social media platform, follow me. Watch some other videos on my channel and my pages. And in this channel or page, I talk about faith, motivation, transformation, success, entrepreneurship, mentorship. Alright? So if you are in your 20s and your 30s and you are looking for a mentor or a mentorship program, I have one that is coming up, and I will let you know when the platform is ready so that you can join. Whether you want to start a business, do a side hustle, or you want to acquire some skills, this platform is going to create that for you. Leadership, mentorship, all right, to achieve whatever success that you dream of. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.